dito. Kalahat ako kasi may party daw na kainan. So, nandito ako para celebrate daw kami ng birthday. Ako lang mag-isa, solo. Nandito kami sa Dolphin. Yes. Brother, where's the... Ayan.
Hey, see!
For my vlog, this is my colleague. Sajid, our newest show. And Juju, we are inside the elevator because good morning. We are here inside doing breakfast. This is the food.
It's okay. Welcome for thank you for coming. Where is Glenda?
Oh, ito sa Ate Glenda. Kompleto. Ay,
Glenda. Hindi ako sanay. Ang aga ni Glenda.
maganda mag-picture pag may pagkain. Ate Jeanette, nagpaluto ka ba ng kanin? Nagpaluto ka ba ng kanin?
Hindi ka marete, pero ka.
Hindi ka nagsabi.
Ate Alma!
Ay, picture daw, picture. Juju.
Naghiwalay na.
This is my colleague, Jojo and Sajid. We are finished our breakfast here in Dolphin Hotel, International Hotel, Intercontinental Hotel. I will edit this one.
Dolphin Continental.
I am practicing my vlog.
Till work, I think.
Okay. Hi. We are now walking or finish our breakfast and Dolphin International and Intercontinental, and now we are walking going to
home.
hostel.
Going to home.
Going to hostel. Nalobat ako. At Almas natin na they are not joining us.
Ayoko niyan, upo na akong kunin. Nagwa-vlogs.
Hindi, i-edit ko naman yan eh. Itong mga kasama ko. Ayan si Aki.
Dadaan ka kasama, uwi na ako.
Hindi na ako kasama.
Uwi na ako, siguro uwi na yun.
Ay, naantay ka niya.
Baka nga umalis na. I'll pass by you.
Huh? Let's go. What?
We'll go to take picture with Mabel.
No, I will not. I will finish already.
Mabel.
Yeah, finish already.
In the morning.
Ah, may sakit si Chris Jean?
Welcome for... Thank you for coming. Where is Glinda? Yes, Anda.
O, ito si Ate Glenda. Kompleto. Ay,
Glenda. Hindi ako sanay. Ang aga ni Glenda.
maganda mag-picture pag may pagkain.
राजू भाई इन्होंने घर इन्होंने देखो
Ate Jeanette, nagpaluto ka ba ng kanin? Nagpaluto ka ba ng kanin?
Hindi ka marate, pero ka.
Hindi ka nagsabi.
Telma!
Ay, picture daw. Picture. Juju.
Hi.
Kung maingay.
Now I wake up early. 66 ka. Pero very diet pa. Ano?